How many times you have this problem with a mask? You see how foggy and horrible this is, and you just bought it brand new and you get it all foggy and you can see nothing and you want to have a great dive. Let me show you how to avoid having these problems forever. In this video, we're going to show you how to run out of a headache. You have a foggy mask, never. After you dive it, and your mask will look like this, absolutely crystal clear. From brand new to after you clean it, super crystal clear. Never a foggy mask in your life. Follow these steps. Very simple, very easy, and they're things that you have in your house. Two ways of clear your mask after you buy it, brand new or used. If you keep it in a closet, you need a lighter, this one or the normal lighter, and toothpaste, hopefully the white one. Pay attention and you're never gonna have a headache underwater with a foggy mask. When you buy any brand new mask, they come with a silicone cover inside the lens. And why is that? Because they don't want it to scratch. So usually what you want to do is just use a little bit of toothpaste and put just a little bit on your lens. Not much, just about that. I'll show you in a second. Just that. Once you do that, you want to rub it in as good as you can. I'm gonna go a little close, but just like that. And do it for a long time. You see that? Then with just a little bit of water, you want to clean all the toothpaste. Be sure that nothing is left on the lens. Clean as good as you can. You need to look like as good as factory to make it absolutely great. And you're never going to have the same headaches that everyone has when they go diving with a brand new mask. This is the only trick you want to do. See? Put my fingers here, absolutely clean. Let me show you number two. Number two is just using a lighter. So what you want to do is burn the glass, all the inside. You have to be careful with the silicone, because if you burn the silicone, you're going to be very upset about it. But if you put the fire like this, just like that, see, the glass start getting black, very dark. Just be sure that you don't hit the silicone with it. And you want to make it that is very dark in there, all black with tar from the light. You can see how the glass is turning a little darker. You see that? So you see there? You can't even see my hands. So that's how dark you want it. All the glass very black, very tarry black. And once you get it very dark and that, you're gonna use water and soap and clean again. See, you cannot see absolutely anything there. And let me show you how it looks after we wash it. Very good. So none of the tar is there anymore. The mask will look absolutely clean. You did this for obviously very important that you don't burn the silicone, because that would destroy your mask. But look at this, look how clear. Now you're ready to go diving with a beautiful crystal clear mask. Simple tricks. Hope you liked the video. So if you like it, please remember to subscribe, share it with your friends. If you want to know anything else about diving, let me know. We can do a video about that too. Stay safe out there.